I'ma kill you. I will kill, nigga. Stop pointing that hoe at me. I'll beat your ass.
You know what? You know what?
Ah! Bitch ass nigga. Oh no, you believe this shit, bro? Oh, bitch ass nigga. Bro, the yard is on fire, bro. Bro, your mom is gonna kill you. Bro, your mom about to kill you. Yo, it's a wrap. Bro, this is a wildfire. Bro, mama is finna kill us. Bro, mom is about to kill you. Yo, oh, it's spreading. Bro, it's spreading, bro. Oh my God. Yo, Uno. Bruh. My fault, bro. Tell mom don't hate me. Bro, we was just trying to turn up. Bro, what the fuck? Yo, come on, bro, faster. Yo, it's spreading. Bro. Oh, shit. Y'all some coon ass niggas, man. Niggas can't get y'all niggas nothing, bro. Come on, bro. Oh, shit. Bro, your whole yard black. Yo. Oh, man, not the fucking forces, bro. Fuck. Y'all got me fucked up. Fuck. Stupid ass niggas. Can't get niggas nothing. Try to do one thing. Bro. More water. What the fuck? More fucking water. Oh, fuck. The neighbor's gonna kill us. Bitch, what the fuck you looking at? Yo, it's all right. We got it under control. Oh, fuck. Yo, how we put it out? Oh, shit. Oh, no. Nigga, don't you got court in a few days? Oh, yeah, you smart. Oh, Uno the activist to the rescue. Uno the act. Oh, shit. Hold up. Yo, get that shit away from that bush. Yo. Oh, we all going to jail. Oh, it's a wrap. We all going to jail. It's a wrap. All right, we good. Yeah, gang, teamwork make the dream work. Hell yeah. Oh, shit. You need help opening the water? Damn, y'all, stomp it too. Oh, no. Oh, I can't give y'all niggas none. They should have never gave y'all niggas money. What the fuck?